Options made big profits of 742% in just 7 days. This case study video is about how a little option went up 742% in 7 days. In the stock market, we have seen some amazing gains in a short period of time. But the options market is where the real huge gains can happen. Check this out. An options alert service called OptionsPop alerted subscribers to buy specific low-price call options on Caterpillar. You may be familiar with Caterpillar. They make heavy-duty construction equipment. There is nothing exciting about CAT, especially not compared to all the excitement over a stock like Tesla. But while Tesla was sinking, CAT was quietly moving higher nearly every day. The result of the stock moving higher meant the call options on CAT would really move higher, and that's what happened. Check it out. As we see, the stock price on CAT shot higher in just a few days. OptionsPop sent an alert to buy CAT call options at $1.84. 7 days later, they went to $15.57. That's from $1.84 to $15.57. That's a 742% gain in 7 days. Here's the proof. You can see where Caterpillar here was at $223.50. The call options at $207.50 option went to trade as high as $15.57. Last trade right there. Here's another example of the kind of results OptionsPop can deliver. This one was on Twilio. The alert was to buy for $270 and sell for $5. That's an 85% profit in just 2 days. Here's one on Ciena Corp. This was an alert to buy the option for 60 cents and sell it for 90 cents, which is a profit of 50% in 2 days. OptionsPop.com is your best source for options alerts and training. OptionsPop subscribers get 3 options picks every week. You get the exact stock option, strike prices, expiration date, and the price to buy it for. You receive these alerts by email and text message, plus they are posted in the members area of the website. Here's everything you get as a subscriber to the OptionsPop Options Alert service. You get instant, unlimited access to the members area, 3 OptionsPop email alerts every week sent by email and text, 12 complete options trader training modules, new options training updates, email support, and a 60-day money-back guarantee. Will OptionsPop help you get better results with options? Here's how you can find out without risking a single penny. Go ahead and subscribe now. Get inside the members area and check it all out. Get the training, get the email and text alerts, and follow the trades. Get it all and check it all out risk-free for 60 days. Then if you're unhappy with it for any reason or no reason at all, cancel your subscription and get a refund. You can cancel anytime by sending an email to the email we give you in the members area, although we don't know why you would. During this special offer, you get instant access to everything and all the OptionsPop trade alerts for just $79 per month, and you get it all risk-free for 60 days. That will give you plenty of time to thoroughly check out the value of the OptionsPop alert service. And if for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied, you can cancel at any time. No questions or hassles. What could be more fair than that? OptionsPop either delivers or it's free. Here's everything you get. Instant unlimited access to the members area, 3 OptionsPop email alerts every week, 12 complete options trader training modules, new options training updates, unlimited email support, and a 60-day money-back guarantee. Start your risk-free trial now at optionspop.com.